question. Granting na the law was not faulted, the IRR was religiously implemented by the Bureau, and yet the public was so outraged by the supposed to be release of Sanchez. Ano masasabi ng human rights dito? Is it okay with you? Yung uproar ng publiko or you go for the Sanchez release?
Ang posisyon po ng human rights ito, yung GCTA law, magandang batas. Pero yung mga nag-commit ng heinous crimes, dapat talaga kasama sa exception. Hindi talaga dapat mag-grantan o mag-avail under sa GCTA law. Yan ang posisyon po ng human rights.
Yes, Mr. Chairman, but ang sa akin doon kasi, yung sinusunod ng Bureau was the IRR.